You need to pay your Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, but you find it difficult to get it done, or you don't even know how to pay your supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Consider to watch this video right now without any stress and see how you can pay your supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, whether on 1688 or Pinduoduo or Idlefish or any Chinese e-commerce platform, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo, 1688, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to do China importation business with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. If you need to pay your Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you search for the products that you want to actually pay for on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. There are so many ways to search for products on the Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Then having searched for the right product that you want to pay for on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to proceed to your profile. So I have already had all the products to cards to make this particular video short and straight to the point. So we want to click on here to proceed to my profile. Then on getting to your profile, next thing you need to do is to click on here to check out your cart. Then all the products you have in your cart is going to be displaying right here, just like what you see right here. Now, the next thing you need to do is to select the product that you want to pay for. So I'm paying for this particular goods right here, and I'm paying for this. So I'm paying for about two different products from different store right here. This is store 1 and this is store 2. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, we have everything intact. Product 1 and store 2. Next thing we want to do here is to make sure we simply scroll down right here and check on the means of available payment we have right here. So on Pinduoduo, there are basically 5 ways by which you can use to pay your supplier. So in this tutorial, I'm paying with my Alipay. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then right here, enter my payment password. So payment done successful. Next thing we want to do is to click on done right here. And this is going to pump up just like what you see right here as a means of payment complete. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to close this pump up. Then I need to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So I'm going to simply click on here now. Then you have it right here. The first one and the second one is that simple. So basically, this is how to pay supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.